Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today I'm finally dropping off my car. I'm gonna have my buddy Abraham install my shortened spindles and my RCAs. I cannot wait, guys. It's been a long time coming. Abraham reached out to me and he really wanted to help me out because he wants to see my car back on the road. So we are on the way to him right now. My car has no alignment, but it's driving pretty straight for the most part. And yeah, hopefully we make it there one piece. He's about 45 minutes away. Let's get it. So another main reason why I'm having Abraham do this install for me is because he works at an alignment shop. So as soon as he's done, he'll take it to the alignment shop and it'll be good. And all of my friends go to this alignment shop, so I think it'll be a good one. The shop's called VJC Tires. Heard nothing but great things. I just can't wait to have this car driving 100% and able to air out all the way. That's gonna be so sick. I really want to start shooting with this car again. All right, guys, we just made it to my boy Abraham's house. He's gonna be the one installing these spindles and the RCAs.
What's up, everybody? What's up, bro?
Long time no see.
I know, long time no see, bro.
Sheesh. So this is where I'm gonna get a famous alignment for the most part.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Everyone
sir.
loves this shop. Can we check out your car real quick?
Yeah, let's go look at my...
I think I filmed with you once, maybe like I
At
might have just
Weekfest.
said hi.
At
No, yeah,
Weekfest.
but I don't think I've. No, I did film with you.
Yeah.
This is his car, but look at the new shit he's done to it. God damn, dude, that camber is crazy. And you're on the floor. See, this is what I want to do. I want to be at least this high off the ground.
Don't worry, we'll get you like that right now.
And he's got a daily too.
GS daily.
Did you have this when I saw you at Weekfest? No, you picked this up after. Obviously, you guys can tell my car will be in great hands. If you guys don't remember, I'm gonna show you exactly what I don't like. I think it looks fine, aired out, but we think it can go a tiny bit lower, so I want to get rid of this. It looks like it's low right now, but we're on uneven surface.
We'll get it laying down nice and low. And Jason's gonna be all in love with this car again. You don't worry about it.
And then I can fix up all the little defects.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that bad from here, but I can see from this angle where I'm standing, it looks like it's fender to lip, or it wants to be, but I don't want that. We have everything here. Should be good to go. Let me give you the keys. Thanks for joining my giveaway.
Bro,
Here's your
this
brand
key
new car.
is sick. Oh, yeah?
You want one? I have extra ones, but they're gray. They're not red.
Yeah, that's even... Bro,
want
my
one?
car's gray.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Look, bro, this
I'll bring
looks...
it for you.
This looks terrible.
Yeah, I hated that. I'll bring it for you. I was looking at it the other day.
Bro, that'd be sick. Yeah.
All right, well, good luck. Have fun.
All right, brother.
Oh, yeah, you can't really adjust the seat because... Yeah, my bad. I know you're tall.
Perfect for me.
Damn, first try. No, you're good. Surprisingly, not scraping exhaust. Don't lower your car. Now it's in the man cave. Good shit, Poppy. First time driver?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the experience.
Alright, it's in good hands. I'll see you soon.
All right, later, bro. Drive safe. All right, everybody. So we're gonna get started on Jason's car. I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod right here, and we're gonna be installing the short spindles. So hopefully everything goes smooth, and let's make this car super low. Alrighty, so we're gonna remove these two bolts right here straight out the bat. These are for the really nice, I believe these are GSF or ISF Brembos. so I had to do it off camera because I needed 2 hands. We started off by disconnecting the speed sensor because I don't want to break it or nothing like that straight off the bat. So, alrighty, so now we have the rotor off, the brake caliper is off. You can see there's no tension on this brake line at all. Have it up by this nice S little hook. Now we'll disconnect the spindle, which is with this nut, and 2 at the bottom. Make sure you put all your hardware together just so you know exactly where it's going to be. This little tool up there, and basically how that works, you can go to AutoZone and get this, by the way. You can rent it out for like 50 bucks, I believe, but if you rent them, you have to pay for it, and then when you return them, they give you back your money. So I just decided to keep the tool because I thought it was very handy. So basically how it works, this gets pushed up with this bolt, and it's actually a 15/16 wrench. And so let's go ahead and take that off. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen these bolts back here. Alrighty, so ended up getting that last bolt off. See, this is all nice and loose now, which is why I said leave 1 bolt on, just barely threaded on by hand, so you can go ahead and remove it afterwards. And here we go. Here's the naked spindle. And you want to make sure you do not damage the back of this whatsoever. There's little magnets in here, and if this gets damaged at all or anything like that, that could be a bad thing. You're gonna have an ABS light or a traction control light on your dash, and nobody wants to deal with that. 2 more bolts in the bottom. And just like that, that is how you remove your spindle bolts. Alrighty, so putting the 2 side by side, obviously the dirty one is the OEM one, and the gold one is the shortened one. You can see it was cut and welded right there, and they're about the same right there. So you can see it's shortened 1 inch. And whenever you cut your spindle, you always, whatever you cut from here, you want to add to the bottom, just so it fixes the level of your geometry of the suspension right here. And to do that, Jason bought these really nice Nguyen RCAs. The RCAs, basically how it goes like this, and then you put this on top, and it's gonna sit just like that. And from there, you're gonna put in the 2 bolts. And so let's go ahead and do that. And lefty, righty. Let's go ahead and thread these bolts in. I don't want to damage nothing, so I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, I can do it by hand. It'll be nice and easy, but I don't want to use this one because, I mean, there is variable speeds on this as well, but I feel like this one has a little bit too much torque compared to the other one, and so this wouldn't cross thread anything or anything like that. So let's go ahead and tighten it up with this one. Alrighty, so those are on, and now we're gonna go ahead and torque it. So go ahead and put this on, drag this a little forward, grab a bolt. Put the other one. So I tightened up all the bolts and I used my Milwaukee gun. Sadly, I could not fit this fat ass torque wrench in there. But I went in by hand too, and I did it as tight as I could. I already know it's not gonna come off again. We're gonna go ahead, take off that nut and washer from earlier. And there we go. Everything is reinstalled, everything is nice and tight. We torqued this. This side is done. Just gotta throw on the wheel, air it out, and let's see how it looks.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the cinematics. Let me show you what's changed. This is my ride height. It's not too bad. With the shortened spindles, the only downside is that I have to drive 10 psi higher than what I used to drive at. So my ride height before the shortened spindles used to be 67 in the front, 137 in the rear. Now I run 77 in the front, 137 in the rear. To me, it's not too big of a deal. I was tripping at first, but I kind of knew what I was getting myself into. It's still kind of confusing, but anyways, I used to be able to air up a lot higher. Now I lost an inch, which means I also lost an inch with ride height. So I have to drive with a little more PSI in the bag, and now it won't air up as high, but it's still good enough. Honestly though, it drives like a dream. Huge shout out to Abraham once again for knocking this out for me, and so thankful for him filming the whole process. His car is killer, and he did it all himself, so I trust him. Yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. To be honest, I thought I'd be more excited about it. Maybe it's because I haven't had my car for so long. I felt like it was such a hassle to do this whole front fitment. To me, I feel like it makes my car look a little bit fatter in the front. I feel like from this angle, it makes it look like the hood is really bulged up. I don't know, it looks so much longer from the nose now. Next thing I might want to do is the rear. It needs a caster arm so we can move this forward closer to the door, away from the bumper. I really don't want to mess with fitment anymore. I'm so fucking sick of it. So I'm gonna leave it like this and enjoy the car. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.